Shoe or beer?
Can we B.Y.O.B? That means bring your own Brompton bike into the breweries. So we are going to test some boundaries today, and we're going to bring my Brompton into several establishments.
Will she get funny looks?
There's 7 breweries off this trail, and we're going to try to hit them all and see what happens. Let's go riding! Lock their bikes up. I am a little nervous with my Brompton. I really don't want to leave my Brompton outside locked with these bikes because I'm so afraid my Brompton's gonna get stolen. Don't leave me here. That's what my apple-bedded Brompton is saying. Gross!
Beauty is in the eyes of the beer holder.
Minutes trying to lock my bike up, and look at this.
10 minutes.
And he's struggling with this lock.
Here we're at another brewery. Another reason I don't want to leave my Brompton outside. They'll lock it up next to another bike. Somebody might scratch it, and God forbid, I don't want anybody scratching apple-bedded Brompton. See a couple little nicks. See? We're on to our next stop. We're drinking our watermelon beer. We've got a drag queen show. It is so much fun. I'm very happy to bring my Brompton inside this establishment. It's because I have heard people vandalizing bikes. And so now, I don't have to worry about that.
I got the Gin Ricky, which is a famous drink in DC.
We are hopping around. Ah!
Beer here, beer here.
This establishment said no bikes. Said no, you're not allowed to bring the bike inside. But I did kind of want to say, you allow baby strollers in here, right? But I really didn't want to start an incident. I think I've got a trick. I'm going to disguise my Brompton.
Did it work?
It worked. It was a good disguise. They didn't know what was coming in. They do make Brompton disguise bags. Were you told you couldn't bring your folded bike inside? Tell us what happened.
Oh.
Hope to see you riding!